or you flip a coin on the diamond and get tails for the pair. What's the experimental probability of getting tails? So ito yung formula. Number of times event occurs over the total number of trials. So yung hinahanap natin dito na probability is yung tail. So dito sa formula, uh, number of time event occurs. So ilang beses lumabas yung tail. So dito ay the tail 40 times. So 40 dito. And then total number of trials. Sa problem natin, 100 times yung trial. Kaya dito yan, 100. So, and then check natin kung pwedeng i-lowest term. So pwede siyang i-lowest term. So ang lowest term ito ay pwedeng i-divide sa 20. 20 both sides. So 40 divided by 20 is 2 over 100 divided by 20 is 5. So yung probability in getting tail is 2 over 5 kapag 100 times ang trial. So yun, pwede natin mag-convert sa decimal. So divide lang natin. 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4. Yeah. And then, pwede rin sa percentage. Move lang ng dalawa ito to the right. 1, 2, magiging 40%. So, ito na yung ating probability. Pili lang tayo. Pwede in fraction form, decimal form, or in percentage form.